So now let's see how we can go around and insert out horizontal and vertical flow inside of diagrams.net. So to do that, you need to go around onto the Arrange menu, and once you go around over there, if you were to go around onto Insert, then you can go around under Layout and you can choose horizontal flow or vertical flow, as you can see right here. If I were to select out horizontal flow, then I get this option right here. But if I were to go around and let's say, for example, click on this arrow, then you can see that horizontally it creates out another shape right here. So you can go around, this is a shape as you can see, and this is another shape right here, just like this. So you can go around, change out the style as well by clicking on this button, or you can go around and move this out as well. You want to add in more shapes, then you can just go around and click right here, and even you can go around, change the text as well by double clicking on the text. And you can click right here just like this, click, 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 and there you go. You can go around and bring in many shapes as you want right here, and all of the shapes gets arranged horizontally, as you can see right here. Once you're happy with the number of shapes that you have and the diagram, you can click on Insert and all of them gets inserted out right here, just like this. Similarly, you can insert out a vertical flow diagram as well, which works in a similar fashion. So if I were to go around under Arrange right here, and if I were to go in there under Insert, and then if you were to go under Layout, then you can see vertical flow option is here as well. You can go around and click right here. So instead of horizontal, everything you can see is arranged out vertically as you click on all of the expansion buttons right here, just like this. You can go around, click on it right here. This is what you have, and so forth. So if I were to go and click on Insert, this is what you have, as you can see right now, and everything is vertical right here. And that is how you can go around and insert out horizontal and vertical flow diagrams inside of diagrams.net. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.